Pick up where I left off in my last video. I want to do a final sanding on this. First, now that it's gassed out and that's dry, it seems like my wheels are the wrong ones. We're going to have to graphite them again. So we're going to follow this line here and see how it goes straight. I can't get the whole thing up, but I'm starting back here like another few inches, and we want to see how it follows this line. I'm pretty sure everything up here is level, so we're going to set it up, pull it back. Uh-oh. Gotta make sure it's straight. Alright, so this here is 1500. Got it all put together, and that's the way it's going to sit when we're finally done. So like I said, I got WD-40. I used to use water. What an idiot. It's wet sandpaper. Okay, put water. Bad for the axles. So we're just gonna show you a little bit. I filmed this before. Try to keep the car straight. Was that 4? Stop talking, you count better. Being outside, you gotta be really careful nothing falls off the trees down onto here. Make sure it's perfectly smooth underneath and everywhere. Alright, this is 2000. We'll do a couple of these. I think it's gonna be fine. Alright, so I washed my hands. Get this out of here. It's dry. I've looked at the bottom of all these wheels. I don't see any divots left, and I don't see any bumps left. I don't see any ridges left. I hope there's enough. Hope there's enough tire. Now on this guy, let's see, that's good. This guy, let's zoom in on this guy and show you what I'm talking about. All right. Put your monitor or viewer to full screen. Can you see how it's shiny out here? That means it's recessed. I can't sand it down enough. If I go too far, well, you're gonna have any tires left, but there's a divot there. So that's not good. On this side, am I still on camera? I still see a dot there. Let's see, what about this guy? There's still a divot right before the edge, right there. It's shiny. And there's a bump. No, it's a divot. Remember, these are injection moldings. There's something right there. Damn it, you can't really see. But look at them before you do this, and you'll find injection molding has an input hole like this guy right there, and an exit hole. You see how they're all shiny? I hope you can see this. Alright, wasted video, Bill. Alright. What's next? Let me think. Zoom out first. And then, yeah, these wheels are a lot faster now. We're going to do one more. Damn, it's still, I didn't even try. It's still spinning. We're going to do one more graphite. And let me see what else. Oh, I got to recheck the weight and the balance. We can do that off camera. We're going to send it to Bay City Darrell. We're going to do funsies with the orange one. Yeah, the orange one with the headlights. And funsies, what the hell does that mean, Bill? We're going to compare the two because the orange guy is 60-40, like I said, and this guy is like 47-53. A little bit under 47, a little bit over 53. Where's my numbers? 53.23 and 46.77. Wow, that's what it was before I did all this. Let's see what it does again, and I'll let you know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later. And all we want to do is see. I mean, the 60-40 flew down that track. He sent me a private video. I hope he does that for everybody. However, I told him right up. I said, I don't think this is going to work, man. It's going to go and go backwards. But no. So now I'm going to send him this guy, which is, like I just said, the weight and the balance. And just for him to test his track to help him again. And we'll just see. Oh. Yeah, and this guy's got the air burns. Goes so fast, it burnt the paint off. Yeah. Thanks for that comment. Alright, we'll see you later. Have a great one. Alright, here's your bonus clip, I guess. But, because I don't want to leave you hanging. So we did all the math. This guy's still kind of yellowish. You know, not white like these guys, but that's the different clear coat. I made a video about that. Alright, so we got the two fronts. And we got the two rears. We're averaging the two fronts. We add them both together, divided by 2, it equals that. Same thing with the rear, divided by 2, it equals that. So now, our average balance is this divided by that, and this divided by that equals, it was 46.48, but it was a 577 something, so I changed that to a 9. You round it up a little bit, and this was 53.51, and then smaller numbers, nothing over 5. And then there was 99.99, because that was an 8. So yeah, it's according to this and the scales, it comes out right. So we're at 46.5. and 53.5. It's better than a 60.5 and a 39.5. We're sending this to Bay City Darrell, and he's going to have some fun with it and just send them both down the track and see who does better. And his tracker is really cool. Have you seen Bay City Diecast Racing? You got to go check him out, man. I'm in there, but not this guy. I got the orange one, tangerine. Okay? Okay. So this is just to help him again, like I said, with his track to see how much does balance matter. Yeah, I was so worried it's going to spin around backwards like I was saying. You're repeating yourself, Bill, I know. But sometimes you guys don't pay attention to everything I say, so I say it again. I'll do it again. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great night. We'll see you later. We're out.